Today we are going to solve this question, that is 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of x, that is equal to x over 8. Our goal is to find x value here. Observe the left hand side 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of x. It is in the form of a over b whole raised to the power of m. You can write this a raised to the power of m over b raised to the power of m. So the left hand side turns into 1 raised to the power of x over 2 raised to the power of x, that is equal to x over 8. And we know that 1 raised to the power of anything is nothing but 1 only. So that's why instead of 1 raised to the power of x, I'm going to write only 1. Now we have 1 over 2 raised to the power of x, that is equal to x over 8. Now do the cross multiplication. Then you will get 1 times 8 is 8, that is equal to x times 2 raised to the power of x. Now observe here x times something raised to the power of x. So it is in the form of lambda w function a times e raised to the power of a. If we have in terms of this form, we can simply write this as a. So we have a, but here we have e raised to the power of a, but we don't have e raised to the power of a term. So because of that, we need to convert these two as e raised to the power of something. A, we can write this as e raised to the power of ln a. It is same as a because exponential and logarithm are opposite function. Once cancelling, we get only a. So that's why here instead of 2, I'm going to write e raised to the power of ln 2. Let's write that. So x times e raised to the power of ln 2. Instead of 2, I'm writing this. Still we have whole raised to the power of x, that is equal to 8. Now this e raised to the power of ln 2 whole raised to the power of x, it is in the form of a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n. We can write this as a raised to the power of m n. So we can write this as e raised to the power of x times ln 2. So our Lambert function, it is the form of a times e power a. Now after converting 2 as e raised to the power of ln 2, this time our a is changed. So a turns into x ln 2. But here we have only x. So that's why we need to multiply both sides by ln 2. ln 2 times 8, that is equal to ln 2 x e raised to the power of x ln 2. So this x we can write it as x ln 2 e raised to the power of x ln 2. Now this is a and this is e raised to the power of a. Observe the left hand side part. We have 8 times ln 2. This 8 we can write it as 4 times 2, then ln 2. Now take this part. It is in the form of m log a. So according to the logarithm property, we can write this as ln a power m. This we can write it as ln 2 raised to the power of 2. 2 raised to the power of 2 is nothing but 4. So now we have 4 ln 4. Now this 4 we can write it as e raised to the power of ln 4, isn't it? So let's take 4 in terms of exponential form, that is e raised to the power of ln 4 times ln 4. First write ln 4 term, then write the exponential term. Now it is same as a times e power a. It is same as Lambert W function. Instead of 8 times ln 2, we can write it as ln 4 times e raised to the power of ln 4. Let's take that. LHS part we can write it as ln 4 times e raised to the power of ln 4, because if this convert into Lambert function, it is easy to solve for the x. That's why both sides I am converting in terms of Lambert W function. So now apply the Lambert W function. Lambert W function a times e raised to the power of a, we can simply write this as a. So left hand side simply we can write it as ln 4, that is equal to right hand side also, this is a times e raised to the power of a. So simply we can write it as a, that is x ln 2. So what we got, ln 4, that is equal to x ln 2. So then x equal to ln 4 over ln 2. This 4 we can write it as 2 raised to the power of 2, then ln 2, and the numerator it is in the form of ln a power m. We can write this as m times ln a. So So we can write this as 2 times ln2 over ln2. This ln2 and this ln2 gets cancelled. So x value is simply 2. But is this x value 2 satisfied our given expression or not? Let's go and check. So what the given expression we have 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of x, that is equal to x over 8. We got x as 2. Let's substitute here. So 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of 2, that is equal to 2 over 8. So 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of 2, it gives 1 over 4. So in right hand side also, if you cancel this, you get only 1 over 4. So that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, x value is 2. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.